Bluebirds have wings. Dolphins have flippers. This video is sponsored by...
No, we don't have any sponsors.
No sponsors?
Well, 4-H gave us the wood.
Oh, well, thank you, 4-H. Today we are going to build a bird box for boy birds. And now I am going to go in my 3,000 square foot shop.
It's only 300 square feet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh. This is a beautiful piece of cedar, and we're going to cut it up with my miter saw so that we can turn it into a birdhouse. So I'm going to glue and screw this together, which means we're going to drill some holes on the drill press. Check it. These edges are a bit sharp. Ow. So I'm going to cut it on my... Now all the pieces are drilled and cut. It's time to glue and screw them together. I'm going to add some LED lights, an epoxy rubber table, and a wireless charger so the birds can use Twitter. Now to finish this off, we're going to put on a few coats of spray lacquer.
No spray lacquer. The birds don't like it.
Oh.
One, go.
today we're going to build the... So I'm gonna glue this together, and that going to build the...
One.
Now to finish this off, we're gonna do a